That's nuts.
Oh,
Come over, come back out, y'all. This
Here
is
they come.
crazy.
oh man.
Whoa, dude.
Yeah, me neither, dude. That's nice.
I'm sending this in the news stations. I got the whole thing.
Dude, that's crazy. Wow, this phone is kick-ass. Yeah, I'm like 40 times zoomed in right now. I'm gonna read this guy's shirt.
Yeah.
Oh, they're still coming too.
Yeah. Wow.
That's wild.
And the person all the way out in front is still running. Dude, you're good. You got space.
Yeah, that engine's still going, dude. I can
Yeah,
see
it's
the
still on
smoke
fire.
Okay, where are they taking them to?
Going all the way towards South Pad, it looks like.
West Imperial Terminal, probably. Well, that's a cool walk, dude. I mean, you know.
Walk right past the big A380 too.
Yeah. See some sides. Good burst into flames. Good deal.
Your bags will be safe eventually. Like,
Oh, dude, I didn't even think about
yeah.
that.
How many people do you think grabbed their carry-on?
I've not seen anyone with bags. That's crazy. Oh, that's so funny. There are people, yeah, so you can either slide or go down
The fire
the
stairs?
fire stairs. The people in the back of the plane got a good deal.